Welcome, Forex traders. Welcome to my live day trading room. This is where I am currently day trading, and right now not swing trading. Talked about that before in videos in the past, but that will be coming back, just not at the moment. Sitting here showing you my equity curve. Not much has changed. I'm still in some floating orders right now. Have a couple of pending orders on right now. But this is ever since I've been trading live here with you. Started off from scratch, but I don't take a trade without doing it here on YouTube with you. So a little bit of a documentary. But if you are interested in how I trade, let's go. All right. Today was this episode number 59 already. And we are on the 25th of January, 2021. I can't believe we blew past this month so far that quickly. It is 22 minutes past the New York session here on Monday, so we're looking at Tuesday's trading. And let's go ahead and take this into the full pivots here. All right. So, I do have a couple of pending orders right now. I do have a couple of floating orders. Let's take a look here at the purchases. First purchase on here was the pound yen back here. Second purchase on the pound yen was back here. And I have a pending order right here. And for the pound dollar, I have a purchase right here. And another pending order right here to buy. Both my take profits are way up. So no need to even speak about anything right now as far as that goes. But we had a big wick. Let's go ahead and pull it. I don't have anything else. All my other guys are all down pivots, so nothing. But we know we're still bouncing on central pivots and M2s and all that good stuff. So it's all going to be about the London and New York session coming up, but I'm also going to be putting on time lapse. I do want to take a look at it so we can see this a little bit easier here on the dark charts. All right, so I had this big long wick right here. The spread stayed up here. The top end of the spread stayed way up here, and the bottom of the spread came way down. Same thing over here, but I have that pending order there. You can see those wicks across the board here. It came way down. Not so much here on the CAD yen, but we saw on the Australian yen, a little bit of a wick here on the Australian dollar. Oh, that's just from the spread going like this. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. I'm going to keep you updated if anything happens. Right now, those are just pending orders, and other than that, I'm going to put it on a time lapse for you. I just want to make a quick note here. These are I'm not a bear, but this is exactly right here is where the bears would sell, and that's right where price is opened up at. Opened up right there, and right here. So if we were bears, that's where we would have sold. Right here. Right there. Now I'm hoping that this reverses, because that's going to do well for my pound trades. If the euros continue down, and then it's going to drag down my pound trades. We don't want that. All right, so a quick update here. It's 5:04 p.m. and I just got triggered on my pound US dollar trade. We're in right here. Godspeed. Still waiting for my entry here. Good morning. It's 1:24 a.m. So we're 24 minutes into the London session, and we got nuked. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's see, full pivot charts. It wasn't a big loss, but looking at this, and
taking a look at this, I felt like something was off, and I was right because I took a look back at my rules of engagement, and I was incorrect on my entry, and this kind of something, yeah. So this being the setup, I would have still have needed, instead of price just going sideways, I would still have needed price to show a breakthrough and bounce. And I didn't get that. It just continued down. And same thing with the pound dollar. Yeah, same thing here. I had my setup, and what I needed was for price to break up and down. The times to go to enter in with the sideways pivot is if we already had this occur previously, and let's say this had occurred, and then we have price comes down, and then we have another sideways box. Then this would be the entry. So yeah, that was a mistake. Both of them. Let's go ahead and mark it down. Yeah, that was bonehead. Okay, so it's these. Let's see. Okay. So the first one is going to be the pound yen 8593. Next one is the GU. And the next one is GU. So yeah, that didn't help me at all. A413. $4342. Yeah, that didn't help me. Okay, let's go ahead and remove these setups. That was kind of a bonehead thing. We came down to the M2s with the pounds. Actually, let's see here. Sorry, I'm upset with myself on that one. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay. So we're watching the pounds for a possible bounce. And I hope we get it because I have those other two right now that I'm in on break even with tight stops. So this is the worst drawdown we've had on the day trading, and that started right when I was doing the challenge. So, oh well, we'll come out of it. Well, on a quick note here, the bears loved this one right here. Loved it. This was their setup, and being a down, they had their breakout. So their first trade was here, and their second one was right here. Let's see here. This is their setup, and this was their first trade. This was their second trade. This was their exit. Exit. Taking a quick look at Bitcoin. We had talked about Bitcoin sliding down from this right here in the last video, and possibly coming down to the bottom end of this, what it looks to be now is a falling wedge. Is it can be do something like this, or the other thing that might be possibly happening is it's a triangle, and if we break out of this, it would be a more bearish. This would be the other target, which would bring us a wick down to more like this on the weekly. The 21 would be skirting it like this. Okay. Yeah, I'm not happy about this at all. But anyways, we still have setups. I'm gonna go back on over to the full pivots. It's a tough pill to swallow, making a dumb mistake like that. Okay, so I'm watching these euros closely, getting the bounce off M2s. See if we can break above the central pivot. That'd be a break above all this resistance in here. Also, the CAD yen still in play.
Day trade alert. Day trade alert.
Okay, getting some day trade alerts here. Let's go ahead and pull that off. All right, let's go ahead and remove these guys. All right, so I'm watching both the CAD and the Australian yen here. Looks like we are breaking above. We do have those trade setups down here. These are the M2s, and so what I need to see is the break above, and then we'll buy it on the retest. Hopefully they're not fake outs, but yeah, came all the way down. The pound yen came all the way down to my 2 entries, and since has rebounded. So it would be nice if we can kind of get a continuation up here and wipe out our drawdown, and half the drawdown is my fault. Alright, I am getting some more trade alerts here right now on the Australian yen, and we have one closure above right now on the CAD yen, and peeking its head above here also is the Australian US dollar, and looking for breakouts on the pound yen and the pound US dollar. Okay. Let's go ahead and get rid of some of these alerts here.
Day trade alert. Day trade alert. Day trade alert. Day trade alert.
Okay, and the only remaining ones are the euros, and I figured they'll follow suit. So let's wait for the couple of closures above. Okay, so we have candle closes here in a couple of seconds. We did have close below, close above. So yeah, let's go ahead and draw that out. This is a close above right here. There's a close above. There's a close below. There's a close below, and there's a close above. So I still need to see some more candles close above. At least one more over here. And I want to see two more over here. I want to see two more over here. So yeah, one more over here. Okay, so we'll see you back in 15 minutes. Alright, going to be placing a pending order here for the CAD yen. Alright, let's go on over to the white charts here. Okay, it looks like we have 2.6, 3.64. 81,502. Okay. Yep, that looks good to me. Okay, we're going to have another close here in 12 minutes. Okay, so let's take a look here. We already have our CAD placed. Let's go ahead and place both the Australians, and then another 15 more minutes on the pounds. Okay, so this one here, this one's got a spread of 2.4. So let's go with okay. Okay. And let's see here. We have the Australian dollar spread of 1.8. Okay, so still waiting on the euros to break. Okay, and I need one more candle to close, so it's going to be right at New York. I'll set my alarm for that. All right, so now let's see here. I got the CAD yen, Australian yen, Australia dollar. There we go. That's my cue for my entries on both. Okay, both these guys here. So let's go ahead and take that out. Let's go. So 3.8 is my pip spread. Okay. Let's go with 141.986. Is that it? 141.986. Okay, let's try that one more time. $141.986. Okay. Sometimes it's easier to do it this way. Let's double check that spread here. 3.8. Modify it. Okay. We're going to do the pound dollar. This one's a 1.9 pip spread. $36846. Modify this. Okay, it just got triggered on the pound yen. Still waiting on the others. Okay, just got triggered in on the CAD trade for a long. So that makes my CAD and the pound. Okay, here we go. Starting to get a breakout at 6:35 a.m. So we are 35 minutes into the New York session. And here we go. We're starting to see that here.
Day trade alert. Day trade alert.
Starting to see that here on the Euro USD. So yeah, here we're going to have a couple of candle closures. So we'll see here at 6:45 we close above. Also watching the Euro Yen as well. Sitting in a slight bit of profit. Pretty much still break even right now on both the new Pound Yen and the new CAD Yen. Yeah, just checking in here. I'm seeing lots of volume coming into the markets. Lots of volume. All right, things are popping here. And now my Euro Yen starting to poke its head above.
Day trade alert. Day trade alert.
All right, let's go ahead and remove that alert. Okay, so we're doing well. Okay, so the we had 2 candle closes with the Euro USD. I need 1 more candle to close, and we'll be placing a pending order there. Okay, it's 7:13 a.m. and I'm about to get the candle close here on the Euro US dollar. Let's go ahead and swing this into full pivots. All right, and my pip spread's 1.3. Okay. $21475. Whoops. 21475. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to have to adjust my, okay, here, let's point this out. This is my the first profit target zone right here, and we didn't get triggered into the trade, but my trade pending orders there, I have to move it down here now because a lot of times what we'll do is we'll spike right down and then come right back up. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. My other my pound yen's doing really well. The CAD yen's still sitting at break even right now. All the other ones have not triggered. The Euro yen's just kind of fiddling around with daily central pivot. Nothing really much going on there. So this is the only update I have right now. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Then we're going to have to bring it on over to the full pivots to retarget, recalibrate it. Okay, so then this comes all the way up. Okay. This guy goes back up here. Just like so. Okay. That's it. I doubt it will come down here today, but we'll probably get some sort of a draw, like a profit taking, and then we'll be able to find a long for tomorrow. Price popping. Okay, so we have a few candle closures above the daily central pivot here. Oh, let's go ahead and take it on over to the full pivot charts. And price is just pumping, and I'm glad that we caught the pound. It just sucks that it stopped us out a little bit earlier today, but I am going to be able to set up this euro trade. So my spread is 2.2. There we go. 126048. Okay, there we go. 9. .2. Let's bring it down just a little bit. I don't want it. Okay, there we go. Let's mod this one out. Let's check out the euro yen. Nothing too crazy. Okay, that's that. It is 9:02 a.m. Okay, so the trader was just triggered on the euro yen. So that's what we have so far. We have the euro yen, CAD yen, all the pound yens, and that's it. Okay, wow. Yeah, I had a quick wick down here on the Euro USD that just triggered my trade. Okay. Wow, that was a quick one. All right, so this is where we are at 12:38 p.m. Still another hour and 22 minutes away from the market close for the New York. We're sitting in profits on everything right now. There's a little bit of break even right now in the euro yen, a little bit of profit on the CAD yen, but sitting nice right now on the pound yen. So stay tuned. I'm going to start a new video right away. I just promised everybody I won't have long videos anymore. I'm already at 35 minutes. And stay tuned. We'll see where this goes.